Hello guys. So in this session, we are going to learn Canary deployments using Argo rollouts. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, in this session, we need to understand the prerequisites. So first of all, we need a pre-install Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS. Then we need a sudo user with admin privilege. Then we need 2 GB RAM or more. Then we need 2 CPU or more. Then we need 20 GB hard disk space or more. Then we need a Docker, virtual machine manager, and virtual box. After that, we need an internet connection. And after that, the main prerequisite is we need to install Minikube and Argo CD on Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS. So as you can see here, I have successfully installed in this my this sorry in this my instance, I have successfully installed Argo CD as well as Minikube. Okay, so if you don't know how to install Argo CD and Minikube on Ubuntu, so you can check my session. And in this session, I have learned how to install Minikube and Argo CD on Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS. So first of all, here I have successfully installed Minikube and Argo CD also. Right now, now the next is let's go to the first step, installation of Argo Rollouts controller. So first of all, we need to Argo Rollouts controller, so that we have to create a namespace. So the namespace will be Argo Rollouts. Okay, it's created. Then after that, you will see the namespace has been created. So let's check our namespace will be created or not. It's created or not. Yes, it's a 9 second ago. Okay, it's successfully created. After that, you can do this using kubectl by applying the manifest provided by Argo Rollouts. So let's apply using kubectl, apply -n Argo Rollouts. Okay, it's created. Now, here you will see the controller, other components have been deployed. So wait for the pods running state. So let's check the state is running or not. As you can see now, it's not running. Oh yes, it's running, but it's not ready. So wait for a few seconds. It's ready and available also. So it's a 0. So wait a second. Okay, now as you can see, you can see now it's ready one of one, it's running, right? It's available one, update one, desired, current, ready, and the age 34 second ago. Okay, it's ready. Bots are running. Okay, now it's done. Now the next is to install Argo rollouts. So kubectl plugins with curl for easy interaction with rollout controller and source resources. So let's run using curl. Let's download. Yep, it's done. After that, let's give some permission using chmod command. Then after that, here, let's move to this particular directory. And then let's check the Argo rollouts version when we install this. As you can see, the details of about Argo rollouts, build date, git commit, and so on. Okay, that means we have successfully installed Argo rollouts. Okay. Then now Argo rollouts come with its own GUI as well that you can access with the below command. Okay, let's access our Argo rollout dashboard. Okay, so as you know, the port number. So let's copy your instance IP, you turn browser, and the port of Argo rollouts dashboard is 3100. As you can see, Argo rollouts, right? As you can see, this is the dashboard. Now there is no any data, that's why there is a loading only. Okay, it's done. We have successfully accessed our Argo Rollouts dashboard. Okay, now it's time to move second step. Now the second step is define the Canary Rollout YAML file. So create a custom resource definition to define your Canary deployment rollout strategy. So we will deploy the sample app with contains rollouts, service, and ingress as Kubernetes objects. So create below YAML file. Which below is rollout.yaml, service.yaml, and ingress.yaml. Okay, let's create. So I'm going to create first. Sorry, I'm going to open a file here. And here I'm going to create using sudo nano. And in this, I'm going to paste this file content. Okay. Then the next file is here, service.yaml file. Let's create a service.yaml file. And the name is rollouts demo, right? Our app name is rollouts demo, as you can see in service.yaml file. Then third one is here. Okay, let's save the file and exit. Okay. So we have successfully created 3 files here. Now if I run the ls command, as you can see the files. Okay. Now it's time to apply these files. So first of all, to apply the configuration to resource by the file or stdio. So I'm going to apply service.yaml file using this command, apply -f. Then the second one. And now it's time to third one. Okay, it's done. Now after that, let's check the pods using kubectl get pods command. As you can see, it's running. That's a container creating. So wait for a few seconds. I'm going to run again. And now you can see it's 1 of 1. And the status is running. And age is, you can see, 16 seconds. Okay, it's done. Now, if you want to check the all details about this, then you can run the command kubectl. So as you can see the details about these pods and the service and the deployment and so on. It's done. Okay. Now I'm going to clear the screen. And after that, let's check here. I'm going to refresh the page. Let's check are demo rollouts is created or not. So let's check here. Okay, as you can see. And you can see strategy canary. Step, set weight, actual weight, and strategy canary, right? You can see the details. And revision 1, you can see demo rollouts demo. And demo color is, now it's blue. First revision demo color is blue and the state is stable. Okay, it's done. Right. Now, again visit the Argo Rollouts console. Okay. Now run the below kubectl command to expose the blue-green service. Okay. Now the color is blue. Okay. Now let's check here. Now it will expose the color in blue. Okay. And as you know how to access, copy the instance IP, hit on browser, and the port number is 8081. You can see the color is blue. Right? Argo dem, rollouts dem. Right? Sorry. Argo rollouts demo, and you can see the color is blue. Okay. Now, okay. Now it's done. Okay. I'm going to stop this. I'm going to press Control C. Okay. Now the next is here. Let's check. After that, if you want to, here. Okay. After that, if you want to, you can see you can check, click on this rollouts demo in the console, and it will present you with its current status as below. Okay. If you want to check, then you can check this details. You can see the current status healthy and the strategy is canary and so on. You can see. Okay. Then after that here, let's deploy the yellow version app using canary strategy via command line. Now I'm going to deploy yellow color. Okay. You can see the demo rollouts image updated. That means blue color replaced with yellow. Now let's check the git pods. It's running. You can see 9 seconds ago. And after that, here you can confirm the same now by running the below commands. Okay. You can see it's ready, right? And now if you want to, now you can promote the yellow version, right? You can see it's a promoted the yellow version. And now after that, run the following command. You will see the scaling in the new, that is yellow version. Apply completely. Okay. And now if you want to check the get pods, then you can check the pods also, it's running or not. Yes, it's running. Now let's access the browser. So I'm going to forwarding the ports, and as you can see here, wait a second. After forwarding the port, I'm going to update these with yellow color. As you can see, after that, I'm going to run this command. Yes, you can see it's running. It's stable and the state is healthy, right? Revision 1 and this the revision 2. Okay, if I go to this here and check the revision second, as you can see, the revision second is the color is yellow, right? And now I'm going to check here. Okay, wait a second. It's a yellow, and I'm going to run again. Yes, it's updated, right? Then if I'm going to get check the ports, ports also updated. Okay, it's running, right? If you visit this browser, you will see the yellow version. Okay, and I'm going to run this forward this port. As you can see, it's yellow, right? You can see the yellow first. We will see this. Sorry, we have see this. Now we are going to see this. The yellow version, right? You can see the yellow version, right? So open your browser, type IP 8081 port number, actually is below. It's done. So we have successfully accessed these Canary deployments. So first of all, we have see these blue Argo Rollouts demo, then we have see this yellow. If you want to check the details, then you can see here. Now here there is no ports because we have stopped this. That's why there is no ports. It's running. Ports are terminated here. That's why now it's yellow. And the strategy is Canary. If you want to restart, then you can restart. There is never started, okay? It's done. So here in this session, we have successfully learned Canary deployments using Argo rollouts. So thank you for watching and I hope you understand.